Do you know the difference between sound absorption and sound insulation? Excessive reverberation and unclear speech are typical in a room without sound-absorbing materials. Luckily, our acoustic panels can fix just that. People will understand each other better in a room with acoustic fabrics. Our multi-layered curtain insulates the sound source to eliminate unwanted noise. Combine both sound-absorbing and sound-insulating materials for the best acoustic results. Check our website for more acoustic fabrics or get in touch to discuss a tailor-made solution.